coming to you from CES, riding in a Yamaha self-driving golf cart at the moment. I've seen lots of this kind of cool technology here at the show, tons of drones of course, lots of automated vehicles, you'd almost think it was a car show, a couple of flying motorcycle prototypes, and a lot of underwater drones, which seems to be a new trend. We're going to cut away now to Brian for some news, and then I'll be back.
So first, Walmart and Udelv have announced that they will be testing autonomous vehicle technology in Surprise, Arizona. Udelv will deliver fresh groceries to customers using a custom-made cargo van that they are developing. On the air side of things, State Farm has announced that they have become the first company in the United States to receive a national waiver from the FAA that allows them to conduct flights over people as well as flights beyond the visual line of sight of their pilots through 2022. State Farm says that the waiver will also open up new innovation opportunities for the company by allowing them to complete longer distance flights, and primarily State Farm will be using these flights for post-disaster operations such as hurricanes. Lastly, the San Diego Fire Rescue Department's bomb squad will begin using UAS to check on potential threats. They will be able to do this under the UAS IPP program, which San Diego is of course a part of, and these efforts will begin very soon, the city says.
And that's what we have for you this week. We will see you next week. I'll be back in DC, and we'll see you then.